Cody, I'm recording right now. Everything you're saying is going on YouTube. What?
Sissy went over there when I was going to the bathroom.
It's alright.
Oh, man.
Oh, boy.
Hustle. This one's for the world. After I'm gonna put music over this. That way we don't hear our talking. I'll put music over it. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Let's go. Pull it. What? She can sit there too. Pushing the tire with a 45-pound plate on the sled. Cody, the Nightmare King.
What?
The Nightmare.
Nightmare King.
Come on. Come on, killer. Come on. Let's go.
The black thing would not leave.
Hurry up, hurry up. Push it one more time, then run over there, then run that sled over to Tommy and then hook him up. Hurry up. Alright, pull the sled over to Tommy. Come on, hustle, hustle. You're not done until Tommy gets hooked up. Come on. Hustle, hustle. Get the sledge. Get the sledge ready. Get the sledge ready. Watch out, guys. Let Tommy go. There you go. Wait, turn around there, bud. There you go. Cody, go get on the sledge. Go get on the sledge, Cody.
What?
Go get on the sledge. Alright, we're going to take that off. Go over the sledge. Hurry up. Run.
Run!
Let's go. Let's go. Yep, come on. £16-pound sledge going.
you did that when we were inside.
Yep.
Me and Braden.
Yep.
That was cool.
All right, Tommy, jump in there, bub. 10 each arm. You go 1, 1, 2, 2.
1. Like that.
He got it.
1. Hey, give him his drink back.
Stacey, you hit again, you're in big trouble. Cody, go get MMA gloves. Go get the boxing gloves. Hurry up.
I will too.
All right, go get them.
What?
Go help him get boxing gloves.